Ready to give your WordPress site a unique look? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add a background image to your WordPress header and menus, using the site editor, which is the new way to customize most block-based themes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transform the top of your website with a stylish image, making your site stand out and really reflect your brand or vibe. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to check whether your WordPress theme uses the site editor. Here, how to tell. In your WordPress dashboard, look in the left sidebar for the Appearance menu. If you see Editor listed there instead of the older Customize option, you're on a block-based theme and you're in the right place for this tutorial. This is an important detail because the steps I'm about to show you work specifically with these modern themes. Go ahead and click on Appearance, then Editor. This will open the Site Editor, a powerful visual way to update your site live. It can feel a little different if you're used to the old Customizer, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Once you're in the Site Editor interface, the next thing you'll do is locate the area that controls your header. Usually the header is part of a section called a template part, and you'll often see it labeled Header. Just click into it, and you might notice it's wrapped inside a group or a cover block. Sometimes, you might need to hover your mouse over the header area to see the little block outlines pop up. Take your time here. The editor shows your site exactly as it appears to visitors, so it's pretty straightforward, but don't sweat it if you need to click around a bit to find the right block. Now select the block that contains your header content. This is typically the group block encasing your menu, logo, and any other header items. You'll know you have the right block when you see all of these elements inside it, and the block settings panel opens up on the right. Look for the block settings sidebar. This is usually docked along the right edge of your screen. In this sidebar, you'll find a tab for styles, or sometimes directly labeled as background. Click into that. Here, where you get to add a personal touch, you'll see options for changing the background, including the chance to add an image. Choose the background image option. You can upload a new picture, maybe a branded image, a subtle texture, or something that fits your site's mood, or pick one from your media library if you've already uploaded your favorite. If you're not sure what image works best, consider how busy or simple your menus are. Subtle backgrounds tend to work better so text stays readable and your navigation remains easy to use. Once your image is in place, take a moment to fine-tune the display. You'll see settings for background size. If you want the image to fill the header, select Cover. This makes sure the image stretches to fill the whole space without repeating or leaving gaps. You can also adjust the position, like aligning the image to the center, top, or side, and toggle whether it repeats if it's a pattern or a solid photo. These little tweaks help make sure your site looks polished on screens of all sizes. When you're happy with your settings, don't forget to hit Save in the top right. It can take a moment for changes to apply, so just let WordPress do its thing. And there you go, your WordPress header and menus now have a beautiful background image, all set up using the site editor. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any roadblocks or have questions. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another WordPress tip or tutorial. See you in the next one.